Welcome to BorgERP.com. Today we'll understand how to set notification and what type of automatic notification and alerts available with the Borg CRM. Yeah, so as usual, this is a Borg ERP website. So I'll go to the login and I'll enter my login credentials as well and I click on sign in. Yes, now I have landed in the dashboard of Borg CRM. Now, let's understand what kind of notification and alerts are available with the Borg CRM. Now, how we can say? So first we have to activate notification and alerts in the Borg CRM. So what kind of alerts can be activated? So first, I'll go to profile and setting. Then I'll go to module setting. Okay, so there are some settings to be done over here. So email and mobile alert settings first. So we have to activate email setting first. Okay, so the customer can activate when the super admin has activated this alerts. It means when customers are using uh, free account available with the Borg. So this feature will not be available with them. So only the paid customers can avail this feature. So in case of paid customer, this alert will be automatically activated from the super admin side. So this will be activated. So now this is a company admin choice whether that can remain activated or can be deactivated also as per the requirement of the company. Second way, same thing goes with the mobile alert setting also. In case of email settings, you need email sender name, email sender ID. So you have to put sales@borgerp.com. So you can select or you can enter here any email ID which you want to display to the customer. So ultimately the mail ID will go to from this email ID, but this email ID will not touch your email inbox. Okay, the same thing goes with the email alert, or mobile alert. So in case of mobile alerts, you need one sender ID that is also called header. So that must be a six alpha characters, and you have to get approved from the your telecom operator. Now the second one is second kind of alert is, and that alert is available and can be activated for the greeting emails. Okay, and in fact if you are activating these emails and mobile alerts, so all kind of alerts, automatic alerts gets started. Now I'm talking about welcome note email. Welcome note, what is welcome note email? Welcome note email means when you are converting the customer, means after the long follow-up, if that lead gets converted into the customer, means he is buying your products and services, then in that case you set the lead status converted. So at the same time automatically that customer, means the lead come the customer, he or she will receive the beautiful email that can read, and definitely it will convince your customer and can change his or her mindset about you. So that must be written and designed properly. The next alert is missed call alert. So if you are using missed call service in your business, in that case you can also activate this missed call services. So our team member can guide you in case you are activating, and you can also go through our in the other video which is also dedicated to missed call education. Now the next alert is lead summary daily alert. That's a very fantastic feature, and that is appreciated by most of our customer. What this feature does, this feature sends daily automatic emails, lead summary on a particular email. So that email can be of your owner, chief marketing officer, business head, okay, marketing head. So that email ID has to be entered over here. Okay, so this email ID will receive detailed email summary of today, yesterday, week, and this quarter. Okay, these all details will be sent by this system or CRM system to the that particular person. Another thing is that now the question is, when we talk about the greeting email and greeting SMS and welcome email, then what would be the content of email? Okay, so definitely this question might be coming in your mind. So just let me go through that question, that the answer of this question. Okay, so this is a set notification option, which is again available in the profile and setting option, that is available on the right corner of the application, web application. So I'm just setting on this. Yeah, great. So as you can say, yeah, very good. This already set and here. So it will ask for your sender name, your sender email ID, and subject what you want to put for your prospect. So this is, we are talking about a greeting email. So the greeting email you can set properly, you can write properly, you can draft beautifully, you can also use the design template also if you want. So that must be very beautiful, so that once your prospect will go through that mail after talking to you, so that also add some value to your brand and to your conversation, and definitely up to some extent he will put some positive feedback and impression on that lead, about your company, about your product, and about your salesperson also. So the same way, the welcome email also can be set, and this would be the common email. Okay, so the sender always will be this, whatever you have set, and the sender email ID will be the same, whatever you have set. The subject will be the same for each and every alert which is being sent from Borg ERP, right? So these are two kind of email can be set: greeting email and welcome email. Please keep in mind there are two alerts we have discussed: greeting email and welcome email. Greeting email is which is automatically sent to the prospect or lead when the entry of that prospect and lead is made in the lead form. Okay, once lead form will be submitted, I'll be this explaining in the detail. So automatically it will be sent. Okay, and another thing is that when the client is, that lead is become your client, and it is getting converted, so on the same time automatically this email will be sent to your lead who has become now your customer. Great. Now another type of alert is that uh, I'm talking about, already we have said, if I'm going through the lead management, okay, and we are just going to the lead form. So again, I'm just adding something in that for the greeting email. So greeting email, whatever we have discussed, so that email to be sent from the system to your prospect when this greeting alert will be yes. If it is no, at the time of filling this application, this lead form, so that alert would not be seen. Okay, so if you want to send that a greeting alert or greeting SMS, you have to enable this one while filling this form. Okay, now another type of alert, that is the follow-up alert. So most of us thus keep questioning to our Borg CRM team that what kind of alerts team will receive. Okay, so already we have discussed in the new ad lead and the introduction of Borg CRM also all about the next follow-up date. What is this, and how this plays the role in the follow-up. So next follow-up date means whenever next follow-up is scheduled for that particular lead, so you are supposed to enter the date, and always when the follow-ups starts and it reaches the multiple stages. So that follow-up date can be changed always. So there is an option already we have explained the pending follow-up. So you can prefer that video how it can be done. So once you are setting a particular date, so on that particular date you will receive one email and one SMS. Okay. Then now question is coming to you, what kind of email we receive and what kind of SMS we receive. So you will receive a mail just containing all details of leads which are scheduled to follow on that particular day. So you will receive that particular email alert and SMS alert very morning at 8 o'clock. Okay, for that particular day follow-ups. Okay, and the same way SMS also will be received. So just let me go through what kind of email, what kind of SMS will be received. So this I want to show you. Now this I'm talking about email now. So I'm showing you email. Okay. Now if I'm talking about mail, so this is my email ID. Great. So this is a follow. Okay. So if I'm talking about the follow-ups, so these are alerts which are you will receive this kind of message. Hey KPC, here is your list of today's follow-up leads. Start follow-up now and increase your conversion rate. And there will be a long list of leads detail. So this is a follow-up lead one. So I was scheduled to follow only single lead which is having the name this and the contact number is this and the company name is this and email ID I haven't entered because I didn't have. So in that case, the system has reminded me that, hey KPC, you are supposed to follow Mr. Hemant. So what we'll do, I don't need to go to the CRM always. So I can take a list from where I just start keep calling. So that will help us. And if I'll receive a mail daily, so definitely that is reminding me for a whole day. That's my follow-ups are scheduled. These are follow-up schedules. For example, you have set a follow-up after a month, okay, for any particular person. So generally we forget. If we are setting follow-up for the next week, still we forget. So this system is reminding us on that particular day. Oh, hey KPC, this is these are follow-ups has been scheduled for particular day. And the same if we talk about SMS, what kind of SMS? So let me also show you. Okay, so I'm just going to the borgerp.com again to the website. Okay, and I am going to the support page and I'm opening the knowledge base. In the knowledge base, each and everything is available. You are supposed to have patience and have to search. Okay, then I'm going to search advanced search. I'm not wasting that much time to go through the entire content, and I want to search in the notification alerts, and then I can see the follow up. Okay, for F-O-O-O follow up alert. Okay, so I may get I have received some results. Let me find out my favorable one. Mail day. Yeah, great. Email alert. This is an email alert. This is SMS alerts. Lead follow up. Okay, let me go through this one. Lead follow up reminder alert to sales individuals registered mobile number. Great. I wanted to say that only. So you can say, yeah, very good. So we have, our team has done very well here. So they have attached the screen of the mobile. So like that, you will be receiving the alert Borg BA. This is our brand name, Borg ERP, Borg Business Application, and the Borg Suite. Today's follow-up tracking ID this, person name is this, contact number is this, and product name is this, and company name is this. So in that case, you are supposed to have entire information on your phone also. So now you can think there is no chances, even a single chances is not there to miss any lead or miss any follow-up. So you are getting reminder in the email. You are getting reminder in the SMS also. So you are getting a single SMS for a single lead in your mobile. Okay, if 10 leads are scheduled to, you will be getting 10 SMS. Okay, and when you talk about the email, so you are getting all email, all follow-up details in a single email. Okay, number one, number two. So these are a next kind of follow-up. One more important follow-up which I'm missing right now, that we have already discussed when we were talking about the settings. Okay, module settings. I'm reminding you again. Again, I'm going to mobile module setting, and here we discuss this amazing feature, lead summary daily alert. So lead summary, how you will be getting this one and what kind of format, what details you will be getting. You will be curious about this. I know very well because I was also very much curious when I listened this first time. So this, I'm going to show you this miracle also. I'm going to my email. Okay, and now I'm just going to my inbox. You can say this, today we have received one alert, okay, from our demo account, because we were testing it today with our one of our customer. So you can see this is very amazing, and this is being appreciated by any CEO, marketing chief, and business head, because this is very crisp summary, a total about your sales department today, yesterday, and monthly and quarterly. Great. So you can say today, if we'll talk about the status wise, so today we have two leads, right? Two with the leads, two leads with the two status, meeting done and new lead. With the meeting done, only one lead is there, and if we talk about new lead status, one lead is there today. Okay, that has been added today, and yesterday no lead has been added. In a month, only one, and in a quarter, only one and two. So if we talk about the quarter, so only marked this with this status, only single lead is lying, and with this status, new lead status, only two leads are lying. Okay, in our CRM. So this is giving you entire overview of your CRM sales department. Now, we talk about the product and service. We have three or four product and services, or that may be 50 or 100, right? So in that case, all will be listed over here. And you can see if we talk about the service three is having, and you can see this is very interesting. Product and service, you can see in the bracket, it is written here, the converted oblique total. So here only in, for example, today 0/1. It means that 0 leads are converted and total leads with the status is 1. Okay. So this has been set blank. So with the blank status, blank product and service, the converted is 0 and totals are 1. Same as with the service 3. How many leads have been reported and converted of service 3? So this is only 0 lead has been converted and the 1 has been added today. Okay, and what about yesterday? 0 lead means your team did 0 result. Okay, yesterday. If we talk about the monthly, your team also has not performed well, means they are performing very badly, because they have not converted single lead for your company. If lead is not converted, it means that your revenue is 0. So this is giving the broad picture of your sales team performance, broad picture of your sales department performance, and about the each and every salesperson, each and every product, each and every source wise. Let me take you. Source wise also is available. For example, you are receiving leads from multiple source and marketing channels. Like you are receiving leads from your website, you are receiving leads from your Facebook campaign, you are receiving leads from your Google campaign, you are also receiving leads from a business particular forum, you are also receiving leads from a particular business directory. There are so many sources. Okay, so all sources will be listed here, and this report will be giving the entire crisp summary of yes, today, yesterday, monthly and quarterly. So I think you will be very much happy after getting this results, because for this concluding this one, okay, to get this report, you will have to visit at least 20 of Excel sheets, and still you will not be getting the exact one, and you will not be coming to the any of the calculation, you will get tired. You can't practice that one daily. But this one is giving automatically. The system is giving in your email ID. I hope that you will be liking this one. So these are all about the notification alerts, and there are some more mini alerts are there. So we'll be explaining in other video. These are key alerts, okay, which are very important to explain you, so that you can take advantage and you can include these alerts in your business, so that you can be you can be able to automate, you can be able to simplify your sales operation, your sales process, and you can collect a lot of revenue whatever you want. So thanks for being with me. Thanks for just learning, and hopefully you will be enjoying and getting good results after using the Borg CRM. Thank you so much.